Hello and welcome. Previously, I made a video on how to host your static website on GitHub Pages for free. And today, I would like to make an addition to that with how to host a React app. This can apply for Next.js apps and even Vue. So right now, I'm in the counter app that I made. So this is what I'll be deploying. In case you didn't watch that video, you can find it on the channel. So first things first, let's open up our terminal. And in the terminal, install the GitHub Pages package. That's npm install GitHub Pages. So I'll give that time to install. Okay, the package has installed successfully, and if we check in our package the JSON file, in the dependencies, we have GitHub Pages installed. So after that, I'll go ahead and create a remote repository. Let's in GitHub create new repository. I'll just name it counter, and I'll leave everything as default for now. So I'd copy this URL over here and then say git remote add origin, then paste the URL that I just copied. When I check git remote and SV, I get our origin that's connected to the remote repo that we just created. So also in the package.json file, I'll create the homepage key here, homepage, and link it to http. We don't need that. And then my username, that's Charles Kasasira. This is the username I use on GitHub. Then .github.io stroke counter. So homepage, and then your username.github.io stroke the app name, which is counter, the repository name. So I would add in the scripts file the pre-deploy and deploy commands. That's pre-deploy, and that's npm run build. Oh, that's supposed to be a comma. And then the deploy commands, which is GitHub pages -d, then build. Okay, we are good to go. I think that's all I need. So I would add the changes, and then commit them. And then I would push my changes to the remote repository. That's with git push origin. For now, I have a branch called master. And okay, it has pushed successfully. So if I come back here and reload, we can see the files that we were working on. So next, I'll come back here and see npm run the deploy command that we just put in the package.json file, and it's deploying. That's good. So it says it has deployed and it's published. So if I go back to my project over here and change this to GitHub Pages, so you can see the build files that were built. So in the settings and then pages, you can see your site is ready to be published at this. So it's still building, and it has finished building. So you can see the counter app that I had on my local host. It's now hosted here, and it works very well. Thank you for watching this video, and happy coding.